Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong video posted by Attorney Regal Oliva. Kabila din caption is the Senate, the numbers game inside the Senate. Yung patuloy po na umuugong ang kodita sa Senado. At may nabasa akong post ni Attorney Trixie na they are planning a new Senate President but their numbers are wrong. Mali daw ang arithmetic ng minority bloc ni Soto. Kasi isa lang daw ang kailangang tumawid. Yan ang computation nila kasi 12 ang majority daw ngayon is 12. Sila naman 11. So isa lang ang matanggal sa majority 12, lilipat sa 11, panalo na sila. Kaya sabi na Attorney Trixie, mali ang kanilang arithmetic. O ito naman ang paliwanag ni Attorney Regal Oliva is the numbers game inside the Senate. Mali. Wow, mali ang computation ng minority bloc. Pakinggan na.
Let us be very careful with constitutional arithmetic because under Article 6, Section 16, Paragraph 1 of the 1987 Constitution, the Senate shall elect its president by a majority vote of all its respective members. Take note ha, all members. Hindi majority of those present, hindi majority of those voting, hindi majority ng available lang. All members.
Lord.
The Senate has 24 senators. Therefore, to validly change Senate leadership, kinahanglan og 13 votes. 13. Now, let us connect this to the present political climate and the hypothetical scenarios now openly being discussed. Suppose Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa becomes unable to participate because of the ICC-related legal complications surrounding him. Suppose Senator Jinggoy Estrada becomes legally restrained or detained because of the plunder complaints now resurfacing publicly, then rumors and threats of legal offensives allegedly continue against senators identified with the present leadership bloc, including Joel Villanueva and Francis Escudero. Now, the numbers suddenly become politically dangerous. The majority bloc weakens, the minority bloc consolidates. But here is the constitutional reality. Even if the present majority bloc becomes politically disarmed, the opposing bloc still does not automatically gain Senate leadership. Why? Because 11 votes can never magically become 13. Deadlock does not remove a Senate president. Deadlock preserves the status quo, meaning absent the constitutionally required 13 votes, the incumbent Senate president remains. Now, let us proceed to impeachment. Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 6 of the Constitution states, "No person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of votes can never magically become 13. Deadlock does not remove a Senate president. Deadlock preserves the status quo, meaning absent the constitutionally required 13 votes, the incumbent Senate president remains. Now, let us proceed to impeachment. Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 6 of the Constitution states, "No person shall be convicted without the concurrence of 2/3 of all the members of the Senate." Again, all members. 2/3 of 24 senators is 16, meaning 16 votes are constitutionally indispensable to convict Vice President Sara Duterte. Not 15, not 14. Not public outreach, not trending hashtags, not press conferences. 16. So
Yes.
every absence matters, every abstention matters, every inhibition matters, every detained senator changes the constitutional arithmetic. This is why impeachment is not merely political theater. It is constitutional mathematics. And here is where prudence must prevail. Yes, the Filipino people deserve accountability from every public official, regardless of power or political affiliation. But the Filipino people also deserve a complete and functioning impeachment court. The senators elected by the people must be allowed to perform their constitutional duty fully, independently, and with clarity of judgment. Because impeachment is not an ordinary political exercise. It is one of the gravest constitutional powers entrusted to the Senate. At dahil dito, maari lamang nahangarin ng taong bayan na habang nagpapatuloy ang impeachment trial, walang senador, anuman ang kanyang kulay politikal, ang biglaang maalis o mawawalan ng pagkakataong lumahok dahil sa mga kasong maaaring magbago ng mismong komposisyon ng impeachment court. Because accountability must always remain evidence-based, constitutionally sound, and free from any perception that numerical engineering, rather than law and evidence, dictated the outcome of the trial. Another day.
Ay, ang galing. Salamat po, Attorney Regal Oliva. So, palit, nito, para magkaroon ng bagong Senate President, kailangan ng 13. So, mali yung computation ng minority na isa lang ang tumawid, sila na ang majority. Mali. Ganon din sa impeachment. Dapat 16 ang boto na kailangan para makonvict si BP Sara. Kailan yung ginagawa nila na kaso diya, kaliwat kanan, pwedeng makulong, wala pa rin. So, galingan ninyo. You must produce 13 senators to become a majority. You must produce 16 votes to convict BP Sara. Good luck. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talanding ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Mamimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon ni anak ko sa balay sa natabangan ng ugero. So mauna ni ang gitabang nga yero nga ilan ang giatop tungod kay nagdali-dali sila og atop tungod kay sige og kaulan dire. So karon atong nakita nga humana gyud sa pag-atop og nakapatindog na gyud sila sa ilang balay tungod sa tabang. So kuan na gyud. Tungod sa tabang nakabalay na sila.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga ug sa nagtabang sa sin nga nag-atop na gid ni kay ga tuluan na among balay ug sa gi atop na gid namo ang gitabang sa amoa.
Oo, so tungod kay sige na og kaulan inyo na lang giatop ang gitabang sa inyo nga yero.
O giatop na gid namo. Salamat kayo sa nagtabang sa amoa.
So nindot na gid ang inyong atop. So pila na to ka tuig ang inyong atop nga inyong gipulihan nga karon nakapatindog na mo aning inyong bagong balay.
Pila? 5 na ka tuig.
5 na ka tuig. So karon nindot na gid mo maulanan.
Dili na. Hinaot unta nga magpadayon pa ni nga tabang kay para matabangan ang kakalisod.
So daghan pa di ang nanginhanglan og tabang
O dagan pa gyud.
nga sama ninyo. So salamat kayo.